viewers, I screwed up royally. I crashed my bike and hurt myself very badly. I had video going, so let me walk you through what happened before, during, and after the crash. I was test riding a bike, shooting some footage for a video that I was working on, a short 2 or 3 mile out and back ride on a route that I've ridden hundreds of times. Simple. Now, something I noticed on the way out was this bridge had new wood, like it had been recently rebuilt. So I headed down this trail a little ways, then I did a U-turn and then headed back the way I came. Now here's where I screwed up. I hadn't noticed that the bridge had moved, and I was following the original line and hit the bridge on the edge. My front wheel came off the edge of the bridge, went in the mud, and just planted. The bike flipped over, pile driving me headfirst into the ground, and on impact, I heard loud cracking noises, and all in a rush of thoughts. I was thinking, did I just break my neck? Did I just crush my spine? Do I have a concussion? And I was doing a quick body check, do I feel my hands? Do I feel my feet? Can I move? And just feeling a large amount of pain. Now, I knew I was hurt, but I wasn't sure how bad. I was concerned I might pass out. I had seen that there was another cyclist about a minute behind me, so I wanted to get his attention so that I wasn't going to be there alone in case something happened.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh.
Thankfully, the passing cyclist came back and hung out with me for a few minutes while I recovered, and even pulled my bike out of the mud and rinsed it off in the stream.
I just crashed. Could you stay with me for a minute? On my back. This went down, head first, boom. I want to make sure I'm okay. Ow. My back. You want to go across the bridge, and I went off the edge. Wheel went in the mud and it went over.
Now, it was at that point that I shut off the GoPro camera. I wish I left it running, but my thought at that point was that the video I had been shooting was shot, so turn it off. Oh well. Shortly after that, I started making my way home. I was not up for riding the bike, so I pushed my bike home about a mile uphill. That was extremely uncomfortable. When I got home, I woke up Mrs. the bike guy who was taking a nap and said, "Honey, you need to take me to the hospital right now." So she drove me to the emergency room, and I was in the hospital for 9 hours. I was almost there longer because they talked about keeping me overnight, but they finally let me go about 2:30 a.m. Now, while I was in there, I had multiple exams. I had 2 CT scans and was diagnosed with 3 consecutive cracked vertebrae, T3, T4, T5. They said surgery was not necessary, but it was going to take about 6 to 8 weeks for those vertebrae to heal. during that time, I'm probably going to be in a lot of pain. Now, when I was in the hospital, I was just in extreme agony, but fortunately they gave me some painkillers and that helped. And even right now, I'm taking some large doses of ibuprofen and wearing a back brace to help limit movement of my spine, so that's helping some. Now, let me show you my helmet here. It's cracked. It's cracked all the way from one side over through here, over here, and all the way out the other side. So all the way along here is one continuous crack. One of the doctors told me that this helmet saved my life. One of the other doctors said that if I hadn't been wearing the helmet, that the damage to my spine probably would have been much more extreme. So this is the second time I've had a bike helmet save my life. So I very highly recommend wearing a bike helmet, even if you're going to just be doing a short ride close to home, because you just don't know what's going to happen. So while I'm in a lot of pain now, I'm alive. I'm going to have to be limiting my activities for a little while. So no running, no biking, no karate, though I do have a doctor's appointment next week. So I'm going to see if I can maybe do some light road riding or spinning or something, but I'll get doctor's approval for that. While I had this video shot, I thought I'd maybe make something of it and share it. Feel free to leave comments down below. If you found it interesting, please give it a thumbs up. I don't normally make this kind of video. Hopefully I'll never make another video like this. I normally make bike repair videos, but if you like those, then please subscribe, click the little bell so you get notified new videos come out. And I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, check that page, and I have a lot of stuff over there. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching.